Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of
Momshie
and Teresa. Today we're here at Pure Gold Naga City ground floor and we're going to do something special about it. Specifically, we're here in Western Union Bank to receive the money that one of our loyal subscribers gave us. Money. He said that he wants us to make this video about buying a giant pizza.
Wow! That pizza, and we're going to eat mukbang that pizza. That is 36
If we're
pieces.
going to what do you call this? If we're going to eat a lot, how many slices do we gonna have? Kaya, thank you po.
Thank you.
We really appreciate
Thank you to
it.
Will.
Thank you to Will.
It is said that the pizza has
Mr. Will.
36 slices.
Mr. Will. Thank you.
I
Yes.
think we can, maubos ba natin?
No, I don't think so.
I don't know. I'm not sure. But
So
yes.
let's see.
Let's see, guys. So, Momshie's Dayan is waiting in front of Western Union Bank. So, you see right there, yeah. Western Union. So, we're still awaiting for the money.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you right soon.
Guys, nandito na yung ordered namin pizza. Look at this.
It's a giant. Goliath pizza.
Goliath pizza.
Yan na guys, yung aming Goliath pizza. Woo!
Goliath pizza daw ang
And once again, thank you very much sa aming sponsor, sa aming
Yes,
to our follower,
Will.
subscriber, Mr. Will. Thank you very much.
If you're ever watching this, we really appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.